2025 and you don't know how to do your eyebrows, you're lost, you don't know what tools to use, don't worry. Yo tampoco no sabía hacerme las cejas. I was so lost. I had eyebrow blindness. I know some tips and tricks that can get you easily to start your eyebrow routine, okay? But you're in the right video if you wouldn't know how to. You need some scissors, tweezers, and this is from Elf Brow Lift Applicator. First things first, plug out your eyebrows. If you want your eyebrows to look really nice and pretty, don't leave them bushy. Plug them out, wax them out. I don't know. Just do something before you start with your eyebrows. Lift them up like this and then cut those hairs. Sometimes I like to even go down and check if they are popping out. Then I need to cut them more. This one's right here. To me, those are very, very important steps before I start doing my eyebrows. Why? Because it's gonna make sure that your eyebrows look super nice and clean. Look at your shape of eyebrows. What's the look you're going for, okay? Because right here, I'm just going for a natural medium size of eyebrow. Next is gonna be wax, okay? Eyebrow wax. So I have here 3, but I've used so many drugstore high-end. This is the Maybelline Super Locked Brow Glue. Whatever you can afford, there's 100 of brands that just work. It just all depends on your hairs. I have very thick hairs. Grab a generous amount and the gel downwards to your eyebrows. That's what I always do. Get some more and push them up. You want them to last and you want them to really set in place. Be generous, okay? Don't add a little. Have a bald spot, you want to cover them, don't worry about it. That's going to be the next step we do, okay? Just start fixing them and start placing them accordingly to your brow shape. I'm going to just bring them a little down, all those long hairs, and push them to the side, just like so. See why I say it's so important to just cut your little hairs, because then they get so stubborn. To me, that's perfect. These two are going to be your best friends, okay? This is going to make sure you get rid of all that extra wax or gel that you're using, because if not, it will leave you white flakes and all over the top of your eyebrow. Getting rid of all that excess. And then I use the other side and I dry it down. I try to go as close as I can to my line of little hairs. The thing that is very important is knowing what you're going to use to draw your eyebrows, okay? That's going to be either a powder or either a pomade or a pencil. This will be to fill in your eyebrows, and this will be to draw little fake hairs. It has me on a chokehold with my eyebrow. The best affordable eyebrow pencil that you can use. You're going to go in there super gentle, okay? You're not going to go in there y hacerle bien recio, porque si no te las vas a manchar bien gacho. So no, okay? It's not the whole point. Be gentle, okay? If you also go on the bottom or you go 2 up, don't worry about that, okay? Clean them out, okay? Just worry about filling in your empty spots. I also do want to mention your eyebrows are never gonna look the same, okay? They are not twins. They're more like sisters. I was overdoing them for trying to have them perfect, and that's just not the way. As long as they look very similar, I am okay with it. Now, this is going to be one of your favorite tools. This is from the brand Elf. It's a concealer brush. This is going to help you clean out all the edges, okay? So you're going to grab your concealer, start cleaning your eyebrows. Go little by little, okay? Don't ever start with too much. I will start from the bottom and then getting closely up. Okay, and then start getting some of that concealer and getting close to your line. let's just finish cleaning and then we'll do the rest. Because if not, we'll stay with that harsh line, and we also don't want that. Here I left a little bump. I'm going to remove that. Now, when my eyebrows look like this, I get really happy and really excited to just finish off my makeup. As long as they look well put together, then just go with that, okay? And then you start perfectioning little by little what you don't like about each eyebrow. But yeah, this is what I do for my eyebrows. And right back, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this face and show you guys the final look. Now, this is my daily routine with my eyebrows, and this is what has helped me get better throughout the years and within time to have my eyebrows look really nice. It just all depends on the look you're going for. Just keep that in mind. I hope some of this tips were helpful for you to help you get better with your eyebrows. So if you do have any questions, leave them down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you are new here, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. My name is Jasmine. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that bell, and last but not least, subscribe to my channel for more tips and makeup vlogs. I actually just finished recording this eyeshadow look, so if you guys want to go check it out, it's gonna be in my shorts. Bye.